The cold was the only constant companion now. It had been 6 months since the collapse, and everything non-military had been repurposed or scavenged. Ethan gripped the worn handle of his machete, the biting wind making his eyes water as he tracked through the deep snow. He wasn't looking for supplies, he was looking for her. The signal had been brief, a single garbled broadcast from an old radio tower miles south. Survivors at Site Beta. Repeat, Site Beta. He knew Site Beta. It was an abandoned research complex, and it was rumored to be infested with the Runners, the fastest and most lethal of the infected. They weren't the slow, moaning zombies of old movies. They were driven, skeletal things that ran with frantic, inhuman speed. As he reached the perimeter fence, he saw the first sign of trouble. A runner impaled on a spiked railing, its body frozen mid-scream, mouth open in a soundless, horrific yawn. It hadn't been dead long, maybe a few hours, based on the ice crystals forming on its exposed tendons. Ethan scaled the fence quickly and slipped inside the complex. The place was a maze of corrugated steel barracks. He heard the sound almost immediately. Not a moan, but a high-pitched, desperate skittering sound, like nails on glass, coming from the main corridor. And beneath it, a rhythmic, heavier sound, metal striking metal. Like and follow for Part 2.